when I realized it was going to be my last trip to the hometown and the places where I have spent my childhood. My heart sank, and it totally called for the last moment memory recall. So I packed my bag and I set out for the last visit to the lanes where I grew up. The moment I stepped onto the land of my hometown, thousands of memories began to roll in my head, recalling right from those days when I used to hold the finger of my mom and walk to those shops, and also those roads which led to my primary school. That way, I hated and loved at the same time. Those moments when I began to ride cycle, fell off and hurt my knees. Those gullies where I expertised my skill of cycle racing. Those localities where I made many friends with unconditional friendship and loyalty for each other. I could still smell the ambience of that tuition home where I spent uncountable hours for 7 years of my childhood. Those smiling faces which smiled at my arrival, and those escape zones which proved to be my best companion when I was disappointed or sad for some reason. That spot near Mahananda River, which was my favorite spot in this town. All this will be missed by me in those days when I will be looking for my escape zone. All these memories will always remain stored at the best corner of my mind, which I'm sure would be enough to bring me a smile in my hard days. Not only will the reason for my smile, Malda also be my reason of being proud of my father's achievement. That collector's building, which was a turning point for my father's career, the renovation of the district hospital and building of the morgue, although it's said to be haunted but no one has ever seen any ghost. Those roads where over thousands of vehicles find their ways to their destination every single day. This town may be very tiny in size with population of about 40 lakhs, but the people of this town knows how to love and respect. And to be honest, the stress level is way lesser than that of the people of Kolkata. Over the decade, this town has shown progress and also got few malls, showrooms and Pizza Hut. But the people of this town have never changed inside. Each time I visited my land, I felt the same warmth for my people as I always did. I will be leaving this town in order to shift to Kolkata for my brighter future. But I believe the connection between my heart and this town will never be affected by the permanent distance. I may roam around in many countries in my life, but deep inside, I know I will always find peace in the lanes where I grew up.